Hello, my name is Eric Rivera and I'm here at Toyota of Tri-Cities. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants, and today I want to talk to you about the Bluetooth connectivity in our brand new 2020 Toyota Camry XSE. So one of the great things about Bluetooth is it keeps you completely hands-free from your phone and make sure that your hands are always on the steering wheel, driving nice and safe. So to register your device, you're just going to click right here, click register phone, and then it's going to ask you if you would like to add a new phone, and you just say yes, and it will automatically pick up your phone while you're in pairing mode. Then once it picks up your phone, you just select it, allow, and connect. Once you're all done doing that, we have this great wireless charger right here. So again, keeping you completely hands-free. Set your phone down right there, wireless charging mat, charging your phone and keeping you connected and safe and on the road. While driving, you're going to realize that your hands are safely here on the wheel, but let's say you have an incoming phone call. No need to keep your hands off the wheel because we have these great buttons right here: pick up, answer your call, volume up and down, and you have your voice command features also right there. So with the voice command button right here, all you have to do is press that button and say call mom, call whoever, and you can automatically just connect straight from your phone and it'll make that phone call for you. So that way, again, just keeping all safe and hands always on the wheel, and you never have to worry about being distracted while driving.